Over the last few years, Ingentive have been working with Cumbria Health on Call, supporting the organisation's innovation and digital evolution with the Microsoft Cloud.
We're Cumbria Health on Call. We're a social enterprise, not-for-profit organisation. We provide primary and urgent care services to the population of Cumbria.
Being the second largest county in the country, we have a big ageing population based in rural locations, and we need digital technology to keep in touch with them, to enable us to actually effectively care for them.
For the organisation, a big focus for us is on being able to incorporate in technology-enabled care into the services that we provide. However, the underpinning systems behind the organisation have also needed to be upgraded at the same time, which is where our work within Ingentive has come in.
Without technology such as Teams, and that ability to talk to people remotely, we wouldn't have the workforce and the diverse workforce that we have. And that has been something of, since COVID, a bit of a revolution for us in a way of working.
For Cumbria Health on Call, we supported, first of all, the rollout of Teams during the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. So that was obviously a hot topic for a lot of businesses. But also set up Cumbria Health on M365 as well. That sort of led on to some Power BI work, which means that we understand the requirements, develop it, we deploy and train to make sure that it's owned by the business, and we're now excitedly working in the security area for us. So, it's helping just continue to grow that digital evolution.
Teams was rolled out during COVID-19 pretty much over the course of a couple of weeks, and really that you went running with file sharing, Teams, meetings, everything else, and that it's just grown from there, hasn't it? So.
Absolutely, yeah. And to be honest, the response that your company gave to us during that time was particularly impressive.
Power BI gives organisations like Cumbria Health on Call the ability to connect to multiple different systems, whether it's their own systems or systems shared by other trusts or other organisations, and embed that into their systems, present it to people on mobile devices, anywhere they might be now, remotely or in the office.
The more that we can maximise their time and be able to meet the patient need and provide the holistic care that's needed by not only CHoC but all of the partners that they work with as well, that's exactly the shared objectives that everybody's trying to achieve, and technology is absolutely the catalyst to allow them to do that.
Power BI has revolutionised the way that we utilise data. Very easily we can bring together 12 data sets from 12 different information systems into one place, where it's fairly straightforward to be able to build some of the reports that the organisation uses to inform its business. The organisation runs on data, as so many organisations now do. Some of the strategy that we've put in place here at CHoC has been influenced by the Ingentive team. They're the experts in the Microsoft products. Because of the relationship we built up over 4 years, there's a level of trust. We utilise the Ingentive technical expertise, knowledge and a lot of the advice that they gave us to then be able to move our files away from traditional shared drives onto Teams and SharePoint, which has just only added further flexibility to the way that the organisation can conduct its business.
We're working effectively to introduce Microsoft 365, and that's been very successful. So having had over 4 years a very successful relationship with Ingentive, we're pleased to recommend them to anybody and to move on with them in future years.
Other health organisations really need to be looking to invest in technology. We're dealing in a climate now where our health budgets are becoming more and more finite. Our patients are living longer, conditions are becoming more complex.
And if you're not investing in your technology, you're going to struggle to provide healthcare to communities.
We're able to respond to patients quicker. We're able to give patients the tools that they can use to treat their own conditions. We're able to remotely monitor patients and turn what sometimes can be a very routine-based service into more of a needs-based focus.
So very much need technology, and I would recommend others to have that investment in technology to enable them to do the same and to join with us in that progress.
I would recommend Ingentive as a partner to work with, and as much as they're a responsive organisation, They have the technical expertise that I lean on a, if not weekly, sometimes daily basis, in being able to help inform our strategy, but also as well to ensure that we're getting the best out of the Microsoft tools that we can.
It's extending our workforce and giving us access to a talent pool that locally we just wouldn't be able to possibly tap into and reach.
So our relationship with Ingentive is only going to continue to grow. So over the past 3-4 years, we've been operating on a consultancy level. We're now looking to move that so that we almost have a bit of a third line technical support there that we're able to call upon.
So very much looking forward to continuing our partnership and to developing all those Microsoft products further with Ingentive. Can only say thank you very much and look forward to a continuing relationship with you all.
Ingentive are excited to continue to support Cumbria Health On Call in their digital evolution.